Alright guys, how you guys doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a delicious dish. This is grilled chicken Parmesan, okay? So we have our chicken, it's grilled. We have our marinara sauce, it's warm. We have our loaf of bread. So what we're going to do is we got to pop all these in the oven, okay? But we have some prep to do. My bread it's an Italian loaf, and it has been seasoned with butter and garlic powder. It's about a half a stick of butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning. This is a very easy way to make your own delicious garlic bread. I do it all the time and it's great. And I got this loaf for 50 cents. All right. So this will go into the oven at the same time as our chicken. So what we need to do is just going to take your lid off, set it down. You're going to get you a nice little ladle. You're going to get you some marinara sauce. You're going to put the marinara. You want to be pretty nice and heavy with this. So get you a nice, real nice amount of marinara. Go ahead and set that back. And then our heat's off. And then cheese. This is an Italian style cheese. If you just have Parmesan, you can use that. But this is an Italian blend. It has smoked provolone, Romano, Asiago, and Parmesan in it. But it adds a real nice twist to everything. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put, I don't measure the cheese out. I just put a pretty good amount, see about half the bag on the top of it. So that's all we need to do. And now we are popping them in the oven. All right. You want to put your bread in on the bottom. All right. And you want to put your chicken parm on the top. Now that's only going to take 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to set a kitchen timer for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and check that out. This is a very easy and delicious dish to make. I do like chicken Parmesan, but this is kind of a healthier option on the aspect of it's grilled chicken and it's not breaded, and so I like the chicken Parmesan, but a lot of times chicken Parmesan has a tendency to be overcooked, and it's real chewy and crunchy, and if it's made right, it's delicious. But it's not made right, it's something that you definitely don't want to eat. So on the side, for a little dipping, you want to get you a little bit of marinara sauce. You're going to go ahead, put this into your dish, and you're gonna get that going real nice. And we only got about 5 minutes left. So this grilled chicken parm is a real nice way to, you just grill the chicken out. You got your nice loaf of bread. You go ahead and season that up yourself, and of course, chicken, marinara sauce, cheese. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Very delicious dish. You can serve this with anything you would like, some green beans, some broccoli, things like that. But I like to just stick with the basics and have the nice bread and the nice grilled chicken. I'm a big fan of grilled chicken. I really like grilled chicken a lot. So because of that, that's why I decided to do the grilled chicken instead of a fried piece of chicken with a batter on it and things like that, which it is good, but it's this is mainly just a nice healthy option. So we're gonna peek in here a little bit. All right, we're looking pretty good. We're getting there. We probably only have about 2 more minutes, and then the cheese is gonna be nice and golden brown. You don't need many things for this. You need a bread knife. Cut your bread. You need a nice little spatula so you can get the chicken and the cheese out, and sauce pot for your marinara. It's pretty basic, guys. Got you a pair of tongs for your chicken when you're grilling them. So there's really not much to it. It's a very basic, simple, delicious dish. So we're gonna pop our heads in here again and check it out. Yeah. So you got to get your mitts, and we are going to, okay, be careful when you open the oven. It is always extremely hot, and as you see, this took very little time, and there you have a nice golden brown coating to your cheese. Now our bread is not quite there yet, so we are going to raise it up to the top, and that will probably only take a couple more minutes, because we are going to take a piece of bread and we are going to cut that. We will set that on the plate, and then we will take one of these and put that on top, and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So the bread is really easy, guys. You take some softened butter, you put it over a nice loaf of bread, some garlic powder, and some Italian seasoning, and voila, you have your own garlic bread that is delicious and nowhere near the cost. Garlic bread is actually quite expensive, and most of the garlic breads that I have bought, I have not been very happy with at all. So this for me is what works best. And on your garlic bread, you want to toast this just a little longer so that you can get a real nice crunch to it. You want a real nice crunch on the outside, but you still want it to be a little soft on the inside. And of course, you don't want too much of a crunch. Then you don't want to cook it too long. You'll burn it. But all right, we're gonna go ahead and look down. Yep, we're good to go. All right. So, okay, well, I overcooked the garlic bread, so I'm not going to use that, guys. All right, so we're just going to take a nice little piece right here, and we're going to pull it out. We're going to set it on top. So that is a nice, easy, ooh, get that out of there. I gave the garlic bread just 1 or 2 minutes extra, and it didn't work out, so sorry about that, guys. But there you are, guys. That's all there is to it. Some chicken, some marinara, nice thing of cheese. Got you some extra cheese for dipping. And this is Kurt's Culinary. If you like my videos, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.